In this session, we are going to cook prawn masala. Prawn masala is an easy to make, delicious and flavorful dish made of fresh prawns, onions, tomatoes and spice powders, and it pairs well with rice and chapati. Heat oil in a pan and lightly fry the chopped coconut pieces. Add 1 tablespoon of garlic, 1 tablespoon of ginger, thinly sliced shallots and sauté well. Now add green chilies, 2 sliced onions, curry leaves and saute well until they are soft and transparent. Add salt and mix well. Add 2 tablespoons of chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, half tablespoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of aniseed powder and mix well. Now you can see it mixed really well. Add prawns, a cup of water, sliced tomatoes and mix well. Cover and cook for about 15 to 20 minutes in a medium flame till all the water has evaporated. Now you can see the prawns are cooked really well. Now it's the time to add the coconut milk. Here I am using freshly extracted coconut milk, but you can also use pre-made one. Add coconut milk and mix well in a low flame. Prawn masala is ready. Garnish with carrot, cucumber, sliced onion and cherry tomatoes. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing. My name is Sebastian and you're watching 360 TV.